Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings and navigating straight to sounds and vibration. This gets you to every sound control in one place. Once there, make sure you can see media, ringtone, and notification sliders so you can compare levels. If Do Not Disturb is on, turn it off now because it mutes alerts. You want a clean baseline. You're preparing the device so subsequent resets actually change audible behavior rather than being blocked by a global mute. You now adjust each slider. Ringtone, media, notifications, set them to a recognizable mid-level so you can test. Then tap volume and choose more volume options to access advanced controls like system and calls. Reset any oddly low sliders. If a custom ringtone or notification is silent, switch to a default tone to confirm file integrity. Make sure sound mode is set to sound if you expect audible feedback. You finish by resetting app-level audio. Open apps, pick the app, and ensure notifications and sound permissions are enabled. Change default playback apps if needed. Once done, restart the phone and test audio using the clock alarm, a music app, and a voice call to verify consistency. If problems persist, clear the system cache partition or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If you hit trouble, try safe mode to isolate faulty apps before drastic measures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.